Good morning, AP Biology. Welcome. All right. I'm having a little rough morning. I woke up with a scratch on my eye, so I got to wear my glasses today. So, Siham and we're rocking our glasses probably. Of course, I choose the best time to make a video for you all. I apologize for the interruption. I'm not starting over though. So yesterday, in class in AP Biology, we didn't do a whole lot. I went over and kind of did a flow chart for cellular respiration, so I'll add that to this week. And I couldn't find if I had already given you a review or not. So the review for the test is right here. Answer those questions to the best of your ability, and then take a look at the key. After that, that's pretty much what we're doing for the next 2 days is reviewing. So some big things that you need to know for the test and for AP. Enzymes. With enzymes, you should know how the temperature, pH, and concentration of an enzyme affects its rate of reaction, affects if it does a reaction, is the protein denatured. So you should know how that enzyme catalase lab, how that went, because that's a big piece about enzymes and how they react to their environment. Okay. Second, cellular respiration. You should know each of the stages: glycolysis, transitional, Krebs, and electron transport chain. You should know the products and then the reactants that come out of each one of those stages. And then know, okay, I don't have any NADH. All right, something happened to it. It wasn't able to get processed. Okay, so then if we don't have that coenzyme, what happens to the rest of the process? How much ATP is produced because we're missing the NADH? Can we even perform the Krebs cycle because NADH is the reactant that goes into it? It's actually not. It's acetyl-CoA, but you do get some NADH out of acetyl-CoA. So keeping all of that in mind, how can you apply the knowledge of what you know about the cellular respiration process into novel questions? Okay. Same thing with photosynthesis. What's the overall chemical equation? All right, you have 6 CO2 and 6 water molecules. You need light to run the reaction, and then you get 1 glucose molecule out of it and 6 CO2 molecules out of it. So knowing that, and then what are the products and reactants for photosystem 2, the electron transport chain, and photosystem 1? What is the reactant for the Calvin cycle, and how does it use NADPH and ATP and CO2 to make glucose? All right, so make sure you're reviewing that stuff. You'll have your entire test on Thursday this week. All right, so have a wonderful afternoon and study hard. You got a couple more days. Study hard. All right, have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.